Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a game changer for the industrial world, Unified Namespace, or UNS for short. Ever feel like your data is trapped in silos, making it hard to get a clear picture of your operations? Well, a UNS can transform the way you manage your industrial data. Imagine your maintenance team, operations crew, and finance department all accessing the same real-time data. This single source of truth streamlines decision-making from the factory floor to the executive suite, enabling seamless data exchange. So, what makes a UNS so powerful? First, it creates a single source of truth for your data, eliminating confusion and inefficiencies. Think of it as a universal translator for your factory's data points, helping everyone speak the same language. This improves data accuracy, consistency, and saves tons of time. Next, let's talk about the key principles of a UNS. A successful implementation hinges on creating one central data repository, contextualizing data to mirror your company's structure, and ensuring real-time data access for quick reactions. This way, your maintenance staff can address potential issues swiftly, preventing costly shutdowns. But here's the real magic: integrating work execution with your UNS. Human actions like technicians' notes and maintenance records add invaluable context to raw data. For example, when a technician logs a strange noise alongside a sensor alert, it gives engineers a complete understanding of the issue. Integrating work execution with UNS doesn't just enhance predictive capabilities and asset reliability, it also optimizes resource allocation. By having a complete operational view, you can make data-driven decisions that benefit the entire company. Of course, there are challenges like data integration complexities and ensuring real-time updates, but with the right tools and strategies, these can be managed effectively. In conclusion, a unified namespace is a cornerstone for a smarter, more connected industrial future. It helps businesses innovate faster, adapt with agility, and stay competitive in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. Thanks for watching.